The Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine upon you. Be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Amen. 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 Upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May His presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you. He is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you. 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 He is for you.
நன்மைகள் வருதே, என் கண்கள் ஏறெடுத்தே. போக்கையும் வரத்தையும் தீரமாக காத்தாரே இது முதலாசை வரும் பர்வதம் நேராய் என் கண்களை